you marry a beautiful woman, no, double wala. For my life, wala. To eat you, not trouble. If you marry a beautiful woman, no, double wala. I'm innocent, yeah. I can only watch it. I know nothing about these things. What did I do to you, my friend? Okay, come see what money has done.
Hello. Okay, what is it?
Sales was very poor today. I didn't even make any money to buy food stuff.
It's okay. Give me that. I have something to tell you.
What?
The king gave me a gift for winning Ozo.
You won! Come on. You won! Okay? You won!
Now my love, he not getting money. Now my darling, now my choice. I don't use up. Now my love, leave up for me. Now my love, now my love, now my sweetie, my sweetie. I don't use up. Now my darling, he not getting big. Now my love, he not.
Odnaka? That is Odnaka now. Odnaka, my man. Is this you? Odnaka is me now, Ebube. Ebube, yes. Ebube, the city boy. Ebube, it's me. Odnaka, come on. Ebube. Come here. It's been a while, my brother. It's me. What's up with you now? Hi! My guy is still confused. Odinaka, come on, what are you putting on? What's this? What's going on? Huh?
You own this car?
This is one of my cars now. One of my cars.
Ebube! Ebube! Hi! Ebube! Ebube, where have you been?
My man, I've been traveling now, in and outside this country. Last week I was in London. Man, this country is so hot. You know, the other time I was in Malaysia. The other time I was in London, you know. But I just finished my build in this village. It's good to see you. Come on, the sun is too much. Let's go to somewhere and relax and, you know, and talk. Jawa, the sun is too much.
There's a small bar ahead. Let us go there.
Good.
Ebube!
Yes. Hey, hop in my car. Hop in. Oh, you own that? What do you do now, bro? Okay, bring it. Put it in my boot, Odinaka.
Ebube!
Abba boy. Hi. Put it inside. It's me now.
Ebube! Hey!
Easy. Those shoes are expensive. Okay, just easy. Put it. Don't touch the shoe. Correct. My man, help me close the boot. Help me close the boot now. Hop it. Odinaka, my man. Hey, it's been ages, my brother.
Ebube!
This is me, the city boy. Hop it.
Ebube, this is not you.
It is me.
Ebube, this is not you. Hey!
By my life, wala. To eat you, not trouble. If you marry a beautiful woman, no, double wala. By my life, wala. To eat you, not trouble. If you marry a beautiful woman, no, double wala.
Odinaka.
Ebube. I remember our primary school days.
I'm telling you. Yes, now, when boys, we are boys. But right now, boys are men.
And I'm married. You're not.
You're married?
Uh-huh.
See, small Naka. You are married?
I'm no longer small.
Hey. Well, I am not married. I am looking for, a decent woman a beautiful one, and also an intelligent woman I can call my wife. I'm still in the process. I don't want to rush.
Keep searching, you will find.
I'll
Find there are good women in this village.
No, I don't want to marry a local village girl. What are you talking about? My class? My exposure? Marry a village woman? No, now that's not possible.
That reminds me. What's his name? How about Daniel and Edozie?
Daniel.
I heard they are in South Africa now.
Edozie? This is South Africa. Edozie and Daniel.
Daniel.
They are doing wonderfully well now, my brother. South Africa is paying off. Especially Edozie. He called me 2 days ago. He said he will be shipping in containers into the country for me to clear it for him.
Are you serious?
And a lot of money, man. A lot of money. Anyways, I will teach you something. There's something I want you to do. You understand? So you start making real cash. See, there's a lot of things I want you to know about. Okay? But I will tell you. What else do you want? Do you want extra pepper soup? Madam, how many plates, please?
1 is fine.
Bring 6. Bring 6.
Hey. 6.
You look hungry, bro. You look hungry.
Ebube, I'm happy to see you.
Now my love, in a getting money, now my darling, now my choice, now my love, leave up for me, now my love, now my love, now my sweet.
Hello, fine girl. Fine girl, where are you going? I mean, the sun is too much. Why not you hop in? Let me give you a ride.
I'm sorry, sir. I'm a married woman.
You're a married woman and you're walking under the sun. That man doesn't deserve you at all. He doesn't deserve to be called a husband. Alright, see, just come in. Alright, I will take you to wherever you want to go. The sun is too much for a beautiful girl like you. Hello? What? This girl is beautiful. I'm not letting her go. Hello? I mean, the sun is too much. You cannot be under the sun. Hello? Please just come, let me pick you. I don't mean no harm. Please just, hop in. Let me take you to wherever you want to go. Hello? Hello? Oh, no. I'm not letting go. I'm not letting go. This girl is so beautiful.
Now my love, in a getting money, now my darling, now my choice, now my love, leave up for me, now my love, now my love, now my sweetie, now my darling.
Obin, do you know that?
Babe, guess what?
What?
I saw an old friend of mine. Yes, I ran into an old friend of mine today. You needed to see the car this boy came back with. Hey! Hey! He said he has come to pick a wife and he is also ready to start his house project.
Really? Good for him.
That reminds me, you wanted to say something.
It's nothing serious.
Hey!
This one you're shouting like this. The car must really be a big.
Very big. My dream car.
They're calling my husband. I claim it. Amen. Amen.
Some people have money, oh.
It will soon get to our turn. Don't worry. We'll be richer than him very soon.
Ebube!
My man, Naka.
Ebube, you keep shining.
Like a shining star now.
I'm very happy to see you.
Good to see you.
How's everything?
Everything is fine now. Just making money here, making money there, traveling up and down. Every 2 weeks I'm in London. The next week I'm in America. Upper week, Sweden. I always move. Malaysia. Too much. The money is just too much.
It is showing on your body.
It
is showing on you.
You can see now. Travel every day and I make money every day as well. Back then in primary school, Osisioma Primary School, I do tell you, follow my lead, follow my way, follow my way. It's Imba. Now, how far?
Ebube, I'm a palm wine tapper. the best palm wine tapper in this village. And I'm doing well.
So you're okay with that?
I'm fine.
You don't want to follow my way?
I'm okay.
And make money, make ringgits, make dollars, make euros.
Anytime I feel like changing, I'll tell you. Everybody, I'm happy to see you.
You.
You? You two know each other? Yes.
He's the man that wanted to...
Yes, good. I bought some fruit from her. Yes, she's my customer.
Ebube, this is my wife.
It's a lie. your wife.
This is my wife.
Are you serious?
My name is Amaka.
Nah, your wife is very beautiful.
Ebube, don't you know me?
I know you now.
You know I have eyes for good things.
It's obvious. Very obvious. You guys have the same skin. You guys are
She's tired. That's why she's looking like that. She's just coming from the market.
tired and looking like this.
This is my friend. The one I was telling you about. Come inside and prepare something now. Prepare food for him to eat. Go.
Odinaka.
Ebube.
She's tired. That's why she's looking like that.
Hey, my guy, you have eyes for good things. Obviously. Your wife.
Sit down.
Like you paid her bride price already. Like your wife.
Are you doubting me?
Can I doubt you? You are married.
This is my wife.
You've paid her bride. Like everything is complete.
Now.
Amaka, I'm so happy to see you again.
I am not happy to see you. I am your friend's wife. Now you know.
Come on. My friend's wife is also my friend.
Oga, you are not my friend, sir.
Amaka, listen to me. Calm down now. I mean no harm, Amaka.
If you love me,
Amaka.
I will break your heart. Please go
Wanyoma.
your way. I belong
Asobadiro.
to someone, your friend. Betrayal of trust, trust away more. Betrayal of trust no. Betrayal of trust.
Amaka, please stay your husband. I'm going, I will call him when I get to town. Odinaka, my man. Odinaka, my man. Odinaka, how are you? I got this for you, This is Spanish wine. This is for you. Here we go. Let's drink. Why?
No. Ebube.
Yes.
You don't have palm wine?
Why? I don't have palm wine. This is red wine, Spanish wine. Okay, let's drink.
No, I'm not used to this. This one will purge me. You see, once I drink palm wine, I'm fine. I'm not used to foreign wine, foreign things like you.
Oh, you don't want to be a city boy like me?
No.
Listen. Drink this. This is good for you. Okay. Not every time palm wine. This is red wine. It's good for the body. You know, it doesn't have sugar. Trust me. Let me pour for you.
No. I'm not used to this. No. It has sugar. Too much sugar.
Odinaka, you never change. Okay, if you say so, no problem. Let me not force you. All right. Odinaka. You see, I have been meaning to ask you this. Why do you like wearing all these patch shirts, patch clothes? I mean, you're a fine young man and this doesn't suit you. Look at what you're putting on. What is going on?
Ibube, it's not like I like putting on torn clothes. I don't have money to buy new ones. Besides, I can't steal because I want to buy new clothes. I prefer to manage the ones I have.
So, because you don't have money, that is why you're putting on this kind of things. Okay, I understand. I will help you. Okay, I will do something about it. I don't like seeing you. The last time I saw you, your trousers torn. I mean, it's somehow. You're my friend, and I will do something about it. Okay? Adinaka.
A good man.
Yeah, I'm a good man.
Thank you very much.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay, since you don't want to drink, let's go inside so you can, watch TV.
TV?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Ibube, this your house is very fine.
Let's go inside. I know it's very fine. Yes. You will have this kind of house when you grow up like me. You like it? This one. You build this type when you grow up. Yes, that's why they call me the city boy.
Your money is too much.
My money is SS. This is just a small one compared to the one I have in the city. Don't worry, when you grow up, you'll be like me. Let's go inside. All the naka. Hey, I told you to join me now. I say you like your wife business. Stops. All the naka. Let's go.
You don't need to love me. We are not meant to be together as one. If you love me, I will break your heart. Please go your way. I belong to someone, your friend.
The beautiful one. The most beautiful girl on earth. How are you doing? How are you?
My husband is not around. Please, go away.
It's a good thing your husband is not around. And where are you going? You want to go and sell plantain under this hot sun. Check it out now. It's not good. The sun is too hot. Okay, see what I want to do. What if I give you the total amount of this plantain and then you relax? Going under the sun is not good for your skin.
Don't touch me. I don't want your money. I said my husband is not around. What are you doing here? Go away. Do you want me to scream? You want me to shout?
You don't have to do that. Calm down. I'm not here to hurt you. I just want us to be friends.
I don't want to be friends with you. You are my husband's friend.
I don't know. We can still be friends. See.
No, you are not my friend.
You're stressing this thing.
What is all this? How else do you want me to say it?
You're stressing this whole thing. And you're shouting. It's not good for you. Look at the sun. It's hot. See my hand. Very hot. Your skin is very beautiful. I mean, I'm being concerned here. Going under the sun is not normal. It's abnormal. I can't let you do that. Let me just give you the total money of this plantain and then you relax.
I do not want your money.
If you want to go out, the sun is much now. I already said this. Just relax yourself. Relax your mind. You're so beautiful. You're too global for this thing. Come.
Go away! My husband, who is your friend, is not home. What are you doing here? What do you want with a married woman? What? I am a married woman. Let it sink in.
You don't know how to take care of a woman. Amaka, right for me.
If you love me,
Amaka!
I will break your heart.
Amaka!
Please go your way.
Amaka!
I belong to someone, your friend.
Come. Sit down. Huh? Ebube, my friend, he bought me clothes. See. Huh? Hey! Huh? Ebube bought me some clothes. Amaka, you're not saying anything. Amaka, you're supposed to be happy that my friend bought me clothes, but you're not saying anything. Are you not happy about this? What is it?
Obin.
Huh?
I am not happy with this Ebube guy.
You're not happy with Ebube? Why? Yeah?
Why would he even buy you clothes? Why?
Amaka. Ebube is a very nice man. Eh? See, this is not the only thing he does. I didn't even tell you. His parents paid my school fees back in primary school. He said, if I need more clothes, he will give me. Eh? Amaka, you're supposed to be happy for me. My friend bought me some clothes.
Odinaka, my one. You and this your thing. Odinaka, how are you and how is your palm wine business?
Ebube, by the grace of God, business is doing well. I cannot complain.
Oh, that is good. That is good.
Ebube, are you sure you don't want us to go to my house?
No, I have something important to do at home. Yes, so I'll be going home soon.
I hope there's no problem.
No problem at all.
Okay.
Please, that reminds me, Odinaka. Please, I want you to help me tell your wife to bring some coconuts for me.
Coconut?
Yes.
Aki? Is that all you want?
I want to prepare coconut rice.
You don't want banana?
No.
You don't want ube?
No.
Are you sure?
I'm okay, yes. Just coconut.
Coconut?
Like 6.
6? Is that enough for you?
Yes.
No, you can tell me, we have everything in this village. And I'm here for you.
I know, just coconut. I'm fine.
No problem.
All right.
I'll tell her.
You tell her?
I'll tell her.
Bring it. Oh, thank you very much.
I'll tell her. Don't worry. I'm in this village because of you.
I know. And I'm here for you too.
Ebube.
All right, take care of yourself.
I got food.
Let me go. No problem.
If there's any other thing you need.
Coconut.
Ebube.
Coconut.
Okay, no problem. Thank you.
All right. The village is some funny thing.
Barman life, voila, to eat you, trouble. If you marry a beautiful woman, no, double voila. Barman life, voila, to eat you, trouble. If you marry a beautiful woman, no, double voila. I'm innocent, I can only watch her. I know nothing about these things. What did I do to you, my friend? See what money has done to you.
My friend Ebube, he wants you to bring some fruits to his house.
I'm not going anywhere.
Why? He wants to buy in large quantity and he's going to pay you very well for it.
Will you come with me?
I can't come with you. I have to deliver that keg of palm wine.
Then I'm not going anywhere.
He's going to pay you.
I am not going
He
anywhere.
wants to buy... Amaka, he will pay you a lot of money. Amaka, listen to me. Amaka, don't you know Ebube? Amaka, don't you know my friend?
The beautiful one. What are you doing outside? Come inside. Come inside.
No, I'm fine, sir. I brought the coconuts you asked for. Yes, sir.
Come inside now, so we'll just sit. I mean, the sun is much.
No, there is no problem, sir. Just give me the money so that I can leave.
Okay. Okay, why not you just sit? Let me get you something to drink. I mean, just relax, calm your nerves.
That's very kind of you, sir, but I'm in a hurry, please. I need to go back to the house.
I know, but you can't come to my house and go back like that. I mean, we're friends, so just relax yourself. Sit, or better still, come inside.
Sir, I'm fine. These are the coconuts. They are complete, sir.
Omanicha. So you're not going to sit?
No, sir, I'm fine. Thank you.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. How much are this?
Everything is this one. Everything is. Give me 2,000.
Just 2,000 naira.
Yes, sir.
Okay, come. Let me give you the money. Let me give you the money.
Yes, sir. I'm waiting for you here.
All right. 1 minute. See, Amaka, have this. Take this money. Use it and buy anything you want to buy. Alright? They're all yours. What?
Sir.
Take it. Amaka, take this money. Take it.
Sir, they're just 2,000 naira,
No,
sir.
I know. You see, I'm a very nice person. I'm a benevolent guy. I don't know why you are seeing me as if we are not friends. It's yours. Take it.
Sir, my coconuts are worth 2,000 naira.
I know. I know. I even asked you, right? But this one is just for you and anything you want to buy. Okay, just take it as a little token. Just, enjoy yourself. Amanicha? Yes. So, how can I?
Sir, bring something. Let me bring out the coconuts.
Okay. I could bring it inside. Let me just take it and
please
you leave.
go inside and bring something out, a tray, so that I can transfer them.
Okay. Okay, just sit. Let me do it. Okay. Why you?
Okay.
Sit.
Okay, sir. I'm fine.
All right. Let me go and transfer it. You can drink from my cup. Sit.
Okay, sir.
And meanwhile, I will get extra money for your husband. Okay.
If you love me, I will break your heart. Please go your way. I belong to someone, your friend. Betrayal of trust. Trust a woman. Betrayal of trust. Trust to know. Betrayal of trust. Trust a woman. Betrayal of trust. Trust to know.
Obim, I am not happy. I am not happy with the way things are going since Ebube came into our lives.
Amaka, what are you not happy about?
Everything.
Amaka, can I ask you a question? Have you made this type of money since you started selling fruits? Have you? Listen, Ebube is only being friendly. So stop thinking too much.
If you love me, I will break your heart. Please go your way. I belong to someone, your friend. Betrayal of trust, trust away more. Betrayal of trust to know. Betrayal of trust, trust away.
Nip. There's something bothering me. I've been thinking about it.
What is it about?
My friend Ebube. You know he lives in a big house alone. I'm worried. Because he's always going out to eat. So I'm thinking, is it possible to go to his house once in a while and cook for him? No, did I say something wrong? All I'm saying is, I'm just suggesting. I feel it is right to pay him a visit, cook for him. You know, there's nothing wrong in doing that.
Huh? Very beautiful house. Huh? It was of yesterday. Huh? Hi! God, when? Huh? God, I was not the one that killed Jesus Christ. Huh?
Ozo the Great.
City boy. City boy.
Ozo the Great.
City boy.
My man.
God bless you.
Yes, sir.
God bless you.
Sit, eh? Ozo,
Thank you, sir.
you know you are one of the nicest person in this village, if not the nicest.
I don't need the suicide to tell you. I'm good, I know.
You are very good.
I'm good.
Ozo the Great. Ozo my man.
The city boy. Ebube the city boy.
Ozo my man. Ozo, you know I like you so much.
I know.
Eh? You're the only genuine person in this village.
God bless you.
Hmm?
God
You're
bless
very smart.
God bless you.
Very wise.
No.
That's why you see I like chilling with you, because we are going to chill.
The city boy. I know you love me. Real people love me.
Okoya?
Not fake people.
Yes.
Real people happen there. Happen then deal. Nah, nonsense.
Do you know if you go to the city, city people will love you.
You want to take me to the city?
I will take you to the city now.
You want to turn us up to the city boy?
Yes, now you see this kind of hair. These are the hair that Burna Boy, you know.
Yeah.
The likes of Fireboy, all of them.
All
they
of
have
them.
it in the city.
The city boy. City will look good on me.
Yes, so let me pour
It will
drink.
look
for
good
you.
on me. Yeah. It's my first time to test it.
I know. You'll be testing it.
City boy.
Also,
Oh, yeah.
you see?
God bless you.
Yes.
God bless you.
Also,
Huh?
you're the great man.
Well, I know.
Yeah,
I don't need the suicide to
You'll
tell
make
you.
money.
Huh?
You'll make money.
I make money.
You'll make money. Hmm?
You will.
I'm proud of you. I will change your life. I will change your
God
life.
bless you. I'm becoming emotional now. God bless you. God bless you. Hey.
You like it?
Like, I love it.
Uh-huh.
I
I actually brought this drink specially because of you.
This is my first time.
Yes, I know it's your first time.
Yeah, I'm
and
not
it will
definitely-
not be your last time, because I'll be bringing this kind of drink for you.
You will live long.
Champagne, Dom Perignon, Hennessy.
City boy. City boy.
Drink up, drink up.
Yeah, God bless you. City boy, I love you. No homo.
Yes, sir. Also,
City boy.
you see, I actually invited you here because I heard about your ordeal with Odinaka.
Hey, Bube, just look at me. Just look at Ozo. Eh? Odinaka reduced me to an object of mockery and disdain in this village. I've lost my self-esteem. I've lost everything. Lost all my customers. Eh?
Because of Odinaka.
Because of Odinaka Onyara. Patch. Odinaka Iko. So what wrong?
No problem. It's okay. Calm down. Right. I understand how you feel.
I feel like crying.
No, you don't have to cry. Men don't cry, like you said. I have been in your situation before. Do not cry.
You don't know what happened for this.
Drink. Let me pour drink.
Don't pick a pour.
Okay.
But you.
I should pour.
Odinaka.
Yeah, drink.
Yeah.
Don't cry.
God bless you.
You see, also.
Hey, City boy.
Yes, I want to ask you something. Would you want to have your revenge on Odinaka?
Yes, of course. I want to finish Odinaka. I want to deal with him.
Wise man.
Odinaka.
Yimaka. You want to deal with Odinaka?
I want to finish him.
I like you.
Fine.
You have that courage.
Fine.
You have that courage. You make money. You make money.
I'll make money. I know.
So another thing is, if I help you, get your revenge on Odinaka,
yes,
will you help me?
I'm at loss here. I mean, if there is anybody that needs help, that person should be me, not you. What will I possibly do for you? A poor and wine tapper like me. No, I don't have anything to...
See, I'm serious. I'm very 100% serious. I would help you get your revenge on Odinaka. And I also want you to help me.
So, what do you want me to do for you?
That is what I'm expecting you to say. I want you to help me get Odinaka's wife.
City boy?
Huh?
Odinaka?
Yes. Exactly. I will help you get the revenge you want. And I want you to help me get Odinaka's wife to myself. It's not just a night fling or a week something. I want her forever on my side. And I know you can do it because you have mind.
I will.
You will. You're the only one I trust in this village.
City boy, this one is too much for me.
So I should not help you.
But Odinaka is a mad man. Who is Odinaka?
What are you saying?
I will help you.
Good.
Good.
Yes.
You have her.
Are you serious?
All by your side.
Are you serious?
Amaka waits Ebube.
I like that.
City boy.
I like that. Amaka waits Ebube.
Happy married life.
Highlight.
Oh my God. No, I will help you.
You help me.
It's done. Consider it done.
Good. Good. You see why I say I will take you to the city? I will change your life.
So when do you want me to do it?
I like that. I like your spirit. Drink. Drink first. Easy.
Just give me go ahead.
Drink.
Give me go ahead. Do you want it now?
Drink. Okay. Also drink. You have to go plan on this thing because I don't want any mistake.
Okay.
Alright. Once you get any tangible plans, you let me know.
Ebube, Amaka is yours and yours forever.
Good.
Jackie, you want to
Aye.
you want to Let's go. The city boy. Ebu, the city boy.
Toma pozo.
Ebu Chimo.
Toma pozo.
Ebu, the city boy.
Toma pozo. Toma pozo.
Ebu, the city boy. Consider it done.
Good. You have a bank account?
I don't have for now, but for your sake, I will open tomorrow morning. First thing tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow is Sunday. Odinaka. You are dispatch clothes.
I want to thank you. Thank you so much. I don't know how to start. But thank you very much. Thank you for everything you're doing. Thank you for your friendship. You value friendship a lot, and God will bless you because of you. my wife and I, we have food in the house. Because of you, my wife and I, we feed very well. May God bless you.
It's okay now.
May God bless you.
Amen. Amen. You're my friend. Okay? You're like a brother to me. So this thank you is just too much. It is something I should do on a normal day. You understand? And I'm happy that there is enough food at home for you and your wife to eat. You understand? And speaking of food, you know, it's been a while I ate homemade food. You understand? It's local food ever since I returned. And I'm really craving for it.
In that case, you can come to my house. My wife will prepare anything you want to eat. My wife is a very good cook. Once you come to my house, you eat whatever you like. Anything in this world that you want to eat, my wife can prepare it. She's a very good cook.
Interesting.
Yes.
But I think that would be too much for your wife.
Too much?
Yes.
How?
The stress and everything. What if I give her some money to prepare food and then she delivers it to me? How about that?
That's a good idea. Ebube, that is a good idea. In that case, tell me what you want to eat. I'll ask my wife to prepare it and she'll deliver it. My wife is very obedient. Really? Anything I tell her to do, that's what she does. Yes.
Oh, my friend, thank you so much. I've been thinking how would I do this
Thank
thing.
you.
Yeah,
Thank you.
thank you. So she will deliver it?
Of course.
Okay.
Of course. Anything I tell her to do, that's what she does. Yes.
That's very good. That's very. You will live long. You and this your patch. All right, you have some money, right?
Everything.
When I give.
I knew you were going to ask me. I'm good.
Let me see you off, my friend. My bosom friend. Let me see you off, man.
Thank you.
Take care of yourself. Please,
Thank you.
anytime you need food, just let me know. All right?
No problem.
All right. I will see you soon.
Thank you. Humble man. Humble man.
You make it.
Humble
in life.
man.
You make it in
Thank
life.
you.
All right.
Thank
Take
you.
care. All right.
Thank you.
All right. Bye. Let me watch you. Odinaka Chuku.
If you love me, I will break your heart. Please go your way. I belong to someone, your friend.
Nee. Please, I want you to do something for me. I don't want you to get angry when I say it, please.
I'm listening.
Please, don't get angry with me. My friend. It's about my friend, Ebube. I'm begging you. I am begging you, please. I want you to go and cook for him. You're not doing it for free. He's going to pay for it. What I need you to do is, when you cook for him, you put some of it inside his fridge, so that he can always eat whenever he's hungry, instead of going to eat in a restaurant. You're not doing it for free. He's going to pay for it. Nee, please. Nee, talk to me now.
Is that what you want?
That's all I want. Besides, you know, he's going back to the city very soon. So it's not like you're doing this for too long. Once he goes back, you won't be going back there anymore. So you're not doing it for once you go and cook, put it in the fridge, he eats from it anytime he's hungry. That's all I want you to do. And when he goes back to the city, you're not going there anymore. When he goes back to the city, you won't be going there anymore. That is just this once, please.
Okay. I've heard you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Allow them to be. Jebelo magi onyentisa. Go your way. Etinya na janagari.
Yes, who's that?
It's Amaka.
Oh, Hold on, I'm coming. Oh. Amaka. Hold on, don't stress yourself, I'm coming, okay?
Allow them to be Jemelo Magi Onyentisa. Go your way. Etinyana Janagari. Allow them to stay Jemelo Magi Onyentisa. Na my love, in a getting one, na my darling, na my choice. Na my love, leave them for me. Na my love, na my sweetie, my sweetie. Na my darling, in a getting big.
You said you prepared soup. Oh, soup. You see, I don't feel like eating soup for now. Why don't you prepare something light for me?
Something light like what?
Okay, I will show you. Let's go to my kitchen. Huh? Let's go.
Allow them to be Jemelo Magi Onyentisa. Go your way. Etinyana Janagari. Allow them to stay Jemelo Magi Onyentisa. Na my love, in a getting one, na my darling, na my choice. Na my love, leave them for me. Na my love, na my sweetie, my sweetie. Na my darling, in a getting big, na my love, in a getting cooler. Na my darling, leave them for me. Na my love.
My love, where have you been? I've been worried.
I just want to go in and freshen up.
Amaka, that's not the answer to my question. Amaka!
Allow them to be Jemelo Magi Onyentisa. Go your way. Etinyana Janagari. Allow them to stay Jemelo Magi.
Are you serious?
Yes.
It means she got home late last night.
That is why I have come to find out. I want to know what kept her that long. Eh? Why did she stay that late?
It's strange. I mean, I'm even surprised myself. Because she left immediately she finished preparing the food. I even asked her to stay, you know, and take some drink. But she refused. She said she had somewhere to go.
So she went somewhere else? Hey!
Seems like.
Amaka! Ebube, I'm so sorry to bother you. Eh? I'm very, very sorry. I'm sorry. Let me start going. Eh?
Well, Amaka is not like that, right?
I'm so it is something strange. Something is, I don't know.
Yeah.
Eh?
You just take it easy. You know, maybe one or two things came up. Just take it easy. Huh?
Thank you very much.
And in case of anything, you just call.
No problem, no problem. Thank you.
Eh?
Sorry to bother you.
Okay.
I'm so sorry about that.
Anytime.
All right, thank you. Let me leave. Eh?
All right. You say you don't want to drink.
No, I'm good. I'm good. Thank you.
Naka, take it easy, okay? Yeah.
If you love me, I will break your heart. Please go your way. I belong to someone, your friend. Betrayal of trust, trust away more. Betrayal of trust to know. Betrayal of trust, trust away. Betrayal of trust, trust to know.
Amaka, you still have not told me where you went to the whole of yesterday. Amaka, I am asking a question. I'm not talking to someone deaf.
Where else? Where else if not Ebube's house?
Stop using my friend's house as an excuse. I am aware you left his house after you gave him food. Where did you go? And stop pretending.
You are unbelievable.
Did I say, did I lie? Why are you pretending? Why are you pretending? Amaka, you have to tell me where you went to yesterday. And stop pretending. I'm waiting for you. Go in and tell me where you went to. That's my question.
To think it was Odinaka who persuaded me to go to that house in the first place.
And now he turns around to say that to me? That going to Ebube's house is an avenue, is an excuse to gallivant. How? Me?
Amaka, it's okay.
Me, Amaka, gallivanting.
It's fine. It's okay. Honestly, you have to stop, okay? Just put yourself together.
I am pained. I am pained. The thing that Mobi. How could he say that to me?
I understand.
After all these years, me, Amaka.
I understand. So you have to stop for now. Stop. Okay? It's okay. Just stop. Put yourself together.
Amaka. Amaka.
Sir.
Yeah.
Sir, the food will soon be ready.
Amaka, come. Come. Come close. I have told you to be free with me whenever you're around me. Alright? Be calm. I mean no harm. You're my friend. And secondly, I did not call you here because of the food. I actually called you because I want to appreciate you. Maka, I have this for you. A necklace. You see, you deserve this. I want you to be having this around your neck.
Stay away from me, please.
Come on. I mean no harm. Be free with me. Okay? I just want to appreciate your beauty. This is my little way of showing how much I care about you. And also to thank you for cooking. It is not everybody that would do what you're doing. So you deserve everything. Okay? Just let me wear you this. You like it? This is a way of showing my concern and care. People will see you and know that you are a gorgeous woman. Alright?
Thank you, sir.
Don't call me sir. Huh? Ebube is my name. Be free.
So let me quickly check the food.
I am angry. I am really, really angry.
Amaka, it's okay. So you want to spoil this your beautiful face, Abby? It's okay.
Amaka! Amaka! Amaka!
Amaka, I have been looking everywhere for you. My love, I know you're upset with me, but I'm so sorry about the way I spoke to you. I don't know what came over me. Please forgive me. Pico. Nkem. Malichanwa. Nini manya now. Bahalo, forgive me. I will never do that again. Inugo. Obim. My love. Talk to me now, please.
If you love me, I will break your heart. Please go your
Yeah, I'm sorry.
way. I belong to someone, your friend.
Forgive me. Talk to me. I'm sorry. I'll never do it again. Pico. Okay? Nibiko. Huh? I'm sorry, please. Forgive me.
See what money has done to you. Money have changed you totally. Because of money, you are behaving strange. Buy my life, voila, to eat you. Natural. If you marry a beautiful woman, no, double voila. Buy my life, voila, to eat you. Natural. If you marry a beautiful woman, no, double voila.
Ebube.
Are you here?
Yes, sir. It's a good thing to see you again. It's been a while. How are you, my friend?
As you can see, my wife and I were doing very, very fine.
Obviously.
And you know, you don't have to come and check on us every time. I'm sure you have other things to do.
Oh, yes, I do.
Ne?
I will take my leave now.
Trust a woman, betrayal. Trust a woman, betrayal. Trust